Okay guys, and welcome to this video. All right, so on this video guys, we are going to be talking about three different NFTs that you need to mint right now. Very important NFT that you need to mint right now in order for you to stay positioned for the possible airdrop reward that is coming for all the participants, that is people that are going to mint these three NFTs. So these three NFTs are on three different blockchains, and on this video, watch it to the end. Do not skip any part. Let me quickly show you how you can be able to get these NFTs, how you can be able to mint them, and the cost of it. Though some are completely free, while some you need to cover the gas fee. Okay, so over here, the first one that we are going to be talking about is of course the Moonbed NFT. So currently the price of one Moonbed NFT is of course 1.9 Ethereum, and 1.9 Ethereum is currently equivalent to $7,000. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mint the NFT. So this NFT minting is actually in cooperation or in collaboration with CoinGecko. So we all know about CoinGecko, right? So over here on there, this is the Moonbed Twitter account. Let me show you some stuffs right here concerning this project and how it came about. Okay, let me find it right here quickly. So over here, this was actually the post that they made concerning this project, where they actually announced their collaboration with CoinGecko. So though they made the announcement earlier, but this is like the second post, I guess. They say right here, Babe loves Gecko, claim your CoinGecko and Moonbed SBT now. All right, so open for all CoinGecko users who add Moonbed to their watch list on the CoinGecko website, as well as all the holders of Moonbeds, Mythic, and oddities. Holders can mint one SBT pay NFT held. All right, so of course, if you are using CoinGecko, you can be able to earn this SBT, and also if you have been holding the Moonbed NFT, you can also claim this SBT right here. And of course, this is of course a very good move, and let me show you how to do it. So let's start with this first one. So we are going to be talking about other things like how to mint the Arbitrum NFT. So if you have been in this crypto space for a while, you must have heard about Arbitrum in one way or the other. So of course, an Arbitrum is like a side chain to Ethereum. So it is just like an Ethereum blockchain, but it is of course way cheaper and sometimes even faster. So we are going to be talking about how you can be able to earn the NFT right here. All right, so the minting is currently ongoing. I'll be showing you the date as well. And finally, we are going to be talking about how you can get the hope.age NFT. This one is on the SUI blockchain, which is the SUI blockchain, as majority like to call it. So we are going to be talking about this. So let's start with the first one, which is of course the Moonbed NFT. This one with the price of 2 Ethereum. So to be able to mint this, it is very simple. So over here under it, you can see claim your Moonbed sound NFT soundbound token. So of course, this soundbound token right here, this is not actually an NFT, it is soundbound. So no reward has been announced to be attached to this SBT or NFT, as you may like to call it. So there's no reward attached to it. But the reason why we are actually minting this Moonbed NFT is because there is possibility that there's going to be a reward for it in the future, especially given the fact that Moonbed is about to launch their token. Their token is coming soon, and the ticker is BEB right here, as you can see it, and it's actually going to be launching on the Solana blockchain. So we have feelings that there's going to be a reward for everyone who mints this SBT right here. So hopefully, all right, so there's no actually proof for that, but this is just something you can do willingly if you want to. So to be able to mint this NFT, first of all, you need to add it to your CoinGecko watch list. To be able to add it, simply click on this star. Okay, and once you click on the star, you are going to be required to log into your CoinGecko account. So quickly, let me log in using my Google account. Okay, so right now, immediately after logging in, I've clicked on the star right here. You can see it has now changed to yellow, meaning that I've added it to my watch list right here on CoinGecko. So right now, you can see this button is now live. Claim your Moonbed soundbound token. I will click on it right now. So this is going to be taking me to where I'm going to be needing to connect my wallet and of course get to claim the NFT as supposed. And right here you can see verifying CoinGecko HAMC. So connect wallet and claim badge. I will go ahead to click on connect wallet and claim badge. I need to select my wallet. I'll be selecting since they are launching the token on Solana, I'm going to be using my Phantom wallet. Oh my god, okay, Backpack wallet and Phantom wallet, they're all the same. So connect. Okay, my Phantom wallet has popped up. I need to sign in, then connect it. Okay, and I just got this message right now that the website doesn't actually support this, so I will close it right now. So I need to select MetaMask as the case has become right now. So just give it a little time. My MetaMask is popping up. Okay, I need to just confirm the connection. Okay, so right now I will click on connect right now, and the connection is going to be established immediately. As you can see it right now, it's connecting, and I guess I've just connected it right now. Okay, I need to sign a message. I will click on sign message right now, popping up my MetaMask wallet again. Okay, so they are going to be needing you to switch to Ethereum if your network is not on Ethereum. So I just switched to Ethereum right now. Then I will click on confirm right now, and I think we are good to go. And right now you can see badge assigned, redirecting to mint. So we are now going to be taken to the page where we are going to be, minting this, I guess, or badge assigned, redirecting to mint. So we are going to be taken to another page right now. And finally, right here we are. So you can see this is the sandbar token right here, SBT. So in case you're having a delay while doing this, you just need to refresh the page or close the browser and open it again. So right now I will click on claim one now. So you can see minting, and I've connected my wallet already, as you may have seen it right here up here. So my wallet is going to be popping up right now, and from there we are going to be good to go. Just give it a little time to load immediately. And finally, here we are. So you can see right here there is a fee attached to this. All right, so that's why it's very important for you to watch video closely. So you can see you are going to be paying $1 fee right here in Ethereum. So you need to have at least $1 worth of Ethereum to be able to mint this NFT. So this one is not free. So I will click on confirm right now to proceed. Okay, and they're going to be giving you a lot right here concerning the price. I guess you can see the price just changed right now as I'm doing it, so you may get something relatively different if you are doing this. So allow it to load completely, please, and I think we should be good to go. Okay, and right now mint successful. We have just minted this right now, and I think each person can only mint one. Okay, so we are done with this one. Let's go to the Arbitrum NFT. Let's see what we're gonna have right there. And over here right now, this is what we have right here. So we are going to be minting this. So the reason why we are actually going to be minting this is because I think I forgot to say something about this NFT that we just minted right now, which is the SBT. I think you have, I'll be talking about the date shortly. Let me start from here. Okay, I think you just open up. So I think the date for this wasn't given. That is the starting date and the date when it's going to be ending. It wasn't given. So, but over here on this Arbitrum NFT, remember this is from Arbitrum Direct. So over here right now, you can see the detail for this airdrop is as follows right here. You can see public stage, which started on the 10th of November, which was yesterday, and it is going to end on the 13th of November. There's just about 4 to 3 days window, so you have less than 3 days to mint this NFT. So to be able to mint this NFT, first of all, the reason why we are actually minting this NFT, I think I forgot something very important to our video. So if you're interested in our Tooncoin giveaway, which we always do, just we do giveaway on Tooncoin on this channel. So if you are hearing about it for the first time, what you need to do is simply go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't done that yet, click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you will know about it immediately. Also, go ahead to give us a thumbs up like this. Make sure to share the video, drop an interesting comment, and with that one done, you are on your way to getting free Tooncoin from just getting to engage in our video. So right now, let's continue with the video. So over here right now, first thing, connect your wallet to be able to mint this. Okay, so over here I will select MetaMask like this, and okay, my MetaMask are just popped up. I need to select MetaMask, and right now I need to approve the connection. Okay, I've connected it earlier, so my wallet is now connected. It is connected right now, so I just need to continue because I've connected it not long ago. Please bear with me. Okay, so right now what I need to do right now is to go ahead and mint. So to be able to mint, I will scroll down, and of course right here you can see this is the real-time data of people minting. So, and right here, oh, I guess I need to mint, but I think I'm having network issue. Let me figure it out right now. And from here right now, let me quickly show you guys something. I just figured it out. I refreshed the page and the button became live. Just do the same if you encounter such problem. And over here, guys, this is where the whole thing started. So over here, the app, you can see this post. Let me show you clearly. So you can see the post right here. You can see ApeCoin. This is actually in collaboration between the ApeCoin and Arbitrum. So they say mint a free Arbit node today on Ape Chain to start exploring other side meta with it as your newest avatar and prepare for the launch of Nexus later this week. So over here you can see Arbitrum also confirmed the announcements right here. So there is no reward that has been proven to be attached to this as well. But right here, this was the announcement literally, and over here they also said make sure to post about Arbitrum and other site to potentially qualify for Arbitrum, Kaito, Bounty, and ApeChain wallet chain reward. So basically posting about this project, you may have already known that it fetches you reward real time. So right now, with that being done, guys, that is basically all you need to know about this. So let's go ahead and mint. I will click on mint right now. The video is becoming too lengthy. I need to, complete the video as soon as I can. So sign to mint right here, loading up. My wallet is going to be popping up, I guess. And here we have it. Just give it a little time, and we are going to be good to go right now. So over here right now, you just need to pay the gas fee, and the gas fee is $0.02. Very, very small, negligible. You can see network fee right here. Okay, $0.2, and basically very small. You don't need to bother about that. I need to click on confirm. Just make sure you have that amount on your wallet. Okay, so basically I just confirmed this right now. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, you can see it is loading up, and you can see pending mint. In just a little moment we are going to be good to go right now. So having this NFT is a great thing because first of all it is free, and also it could qualify you for a lot of future reward. Okay, so right now I just minted my own NFT right now. Okay, so let's talk about the last one before I end the video. So over here right now you can see I just minted mine right now. We are going to be talking about the hope.age NFT, which we are going to be minting right here on the SUI blockchain. So right now let's get to go. So the first thing you need to do right here, click all the link are going to be right down in the video description, as you may have already know that I do it that way. So to be able to mint this, you need to follow the X account, retweet a tweet, join Discord, and guess the age when they are going to be launching, and that is just how you mint it. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet. I would have done it right here, but I haven't yet installed my wallet over here on this browser, so I went ahead to do it on my app, the wallet app. So over here I've done it, but I clicked on mint, it kept on rolling like this, and they haven't taken me past this stage. So you can give it a try to see if you are going to be getting the same results, and also let me know in the comment section if you were able to mint all of them successfully or not. But this one, I'm having problem with this one. But once you click the link, you connect your wallet, you can copy the link, paste it on your inside your Slush wallet, then you are good to go. So over there, you go ahead, complete this little social task, guess when they are going to be launching, and finally you click on mint, confirm it, and that is basically how you mint these 3 NFT. Remember, this NFT holds a lot of potential both now and later, so make sure to mint it, and that is basically all you need to know about these 3 important NFT or SBT that you need to mint. All right, so thank you for watching, and that brings us to the end of the video. Do let me know what your thoughts right there on the comment section, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.